annual Friendship Day ride. We've been organizing this since 2013 with a break in COVID for obvious reasons. So basically this ride is organized to get all the clubs and all their cyclists together, because normally you'll see each club is organizing their own events. So this was something to do. So we wanted all clubs to get together, all the riders to get together at one place, ride together, and have breakfast together. And that's that's a tradition we've been following for the last 11, 12 years. And since I also organize the Super Andeño series on behalf of Audex France. So I'm in touch with most of the riders all across Goa, all serious riders. So it helps me to build a community and see that everybody gets on the saddle and keeps riding. It is more like a promotional thing, so that people, don't forget that there's a cycle parked at home, and they get back and they cycle again. Usually what we do is we have a central meeting point, which is usually at Kortalim Junction, because it is equidistant from Panjim, Margaon, Vasco and Ponda. So we all cycle from our respective spots and we converge to Kortalim, and then we all ride together from Kortalim to the place. In this case, we've been doing the event. The breakfast point has been the pier at the harbour. We've been doing here for the last 3 years, and it's a beautiful venue, as you can see over here. It's wonderful, and the ride over here also is wonderful from the newly constructed flyovers. So that's what we do. And then once the breakfast is over, some of them prefer, their family members come in and they drive them back also, in case they don't want to do a longer ride.